In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do mobile apps for the iPhone, Android, and even Kindle. So let's go ahead and jump into the mobile app builder in Builderall. So I'm going to go to the top left-hand side and click the menu. Then I'm going to go to Builders, and I'm going to go to App Creator. And here's where you can start building mobile apps. To create your first application, you just need to click Create New Application, and then name your application, and then click Create. And now that takes you inside of the mobile app builder, and the first thing you need to do is choose from a template, and there's several to choose from. Just click any design that you like, go ahead and click right on the design, and then click OK. The mobile app platform will pull the design in that you chose, and then your next steps are to go through the editor process of designing, creating the colors, and these are all the colors of your mobile app, including the general color, header color, homepage color, list colors. There's a lot of colors to set up for your mobile app. The next area is features, which is kind of the same thing as pages. So you have many different styles of pages to choose from to put into your app. All the page styles are down here. For example, if you want to add a calendar to your app, you just click calendar and then you'll configure the calendar. If you want to add a Facebook page, you just click Facebook and then you configure that Facebook page. These here are the pages that are already in your app, and you can delete them by clicking the X at the top right of the box and then OK. If you want to edit a feature or page, you just click on that page. It will open up that page and it will show you everything that you can do with that page. For example, with this page called the catalog page, you are able to edit categories and products of a store. Once you finish adding all the pages and configuring them, then you're going to go to the application page. And in this page, you're going to set the buttons for your application, and you're going to set some settings, including the Android push settings, the startup image, which is what I call a splash page. And once you set up your application settings, then you're going to go to publication. In publication, you're going to come up with an application name. You'll leave the bundle ID the way it is. You'll need that for publishing. You'll have a package name, and you'll have a URL for your privacy policy. You can also choose to monetize your apps with AdMob. You'll need an account with that to be able to do that. And you'll be able to set up your mobile source codes. Once you finish setting up all of that, you'll click Ready, Publish My App, and you'll be able to set up everything to be able to publish, including the billing address, payment option. And remember that if you are on the $49.90 plan, your web publishing is free, so you will not have to pay. So you save all that. And then once you choose everything, it tells you your order details, and you're just going to click Validate. And now the order has been successfully processed, and we'll click here to go back to the application list. And now we're back in the applications. We can go back to edit anytime we want to by clicking the Edit button, or we can delete our app. I'm going to go back into Edit, and I can choose to promote my application. And this is where you can put the link for the iOS version, the Android version, and then you can download the QR code so people can use the QR code to get to your app. You can also take a look at analytics, including the app analytics and the feature analytics. For app analytics, it's going to give you an evaluation of app users, and then for feature analytics, it'll give you an evaluation of the features of your app. The next area is users. If you have users that need to have access to your app because they need to make changes to the app, you can add users to a specific app to allow them to access. To do that, all you do is click Add. You'll put in their information and then click Save. They'll have a username and password to log in, and they'll get access only to the apps that you allow them to access. The next area is Settings. And in here, you'll get terms and conditions, you'll get APIs that you can use, you can connect domains, you have some advanced settings, and you have the ability to send messages back and forth between you and the users that you've added to your system. Also at the very top, you've got a link to Dashboard, to set up push notifications, to edit your profile, and to change the language. So that's the mobile app builder inside of the Builderall platform.